In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify store using a CSV file. This is one of the fastest ways to upload multiple products at once and manage your inventory more efficiently. So let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu and click on Products. Inside the Products section, head to the upper right corner and click on Import. This option allows you to upload product information using a CSV file. A pop-up window will appear asking you to upload your file. Click Add File and select the CSV file from your computer that contains your product data. Before uploading, make sure your CSV file is properly formatted with important fields like product title, description, price, inventory, and images. Shopify also provides a sample CSV template if you need help formatting your file correctly. Once you've selected the file, click Upload and Continue or Import Products depending on your Shopify version. Shopify will now process the file and begin importing your products. This may take a few moments depending on how many products are included in the CSV file. After the import is complete, Shopify will display a confirmation message along with any errors or missing information that may need fixing. Now head back to your products page to review the imported items and make sure all details like pricing, images, and inventory were added correctly. Using CSV files is a great way to save time, especially when adding large inventories or migrating products from another platform. And that's it. You've successfully added products to your Shopify store using a CSV file. Thanks for watching.